So next we are going to see about rational operation. Rational operation, what is that? What is sorry, not rational. Next we are going to see relational operators. So relational operators comparison, okay, either less than or greater than, like that. So that is a relational operators. And any other like not equal to or less than or equal to, those things are relational operators. So here we'll go with a few examples. See, if I want to see now the output, so far we have seen like integer or decimal value, float are the output for arithmetic operators. Okay, here if we concatenate two strings, the output also strings. Okay, and if you even if you want to multiply as two strings, okay, my name like jiva. Okay, and if I'm going to multiply with the 3, we'll get 3 jiva. Jiva. It's a whole how the multiplication works. Okay, and in addition it's simply like that. So this is how the arithmetic operator works. Basically the output will be either numerical or a string, right? But when it comes to relational operators, it is comparing things whether true or false. These are only the two outputs. So we'll see like 2 less than 3, it's actually true. If you see here, it will give you 3. And if I want to output as 3 less than 2, you will get a false, because 3 is not less than 2. So it will be false, right? That's how it works. If I want to go with like 3 greater than 2, okay, instead of here, you will get true. So this is how greater than and less than are works. If I want to like check 3 greater than or equal to 3, okay, this will give you true, because it is not a greater than but equal to. You are comparing two things, either greater or equal to. In that case, you can use that. This is a basic mathematical operations, and it's the same with Python. It's a very simple thing. These relational operators you are going to use in if condition or while condition when you are making a decisions in your coding. Logical. When you write a logic, you have to make some choice, right? Decision, right? In that case, you are going to use all these relational operators. So I'm going to it is a very simple things. This will be like a greater than, and this is a greater less than. It is the same if you want to like comparing like 4 greater than or equal to 3, it is going to be true. Same like if you are going to like 4 greater than 5, it is going to be false. Okay, so it's just a comparison. Double equal to, you can use it for both numerical and string. These things are either greater than or equal to only for numbers, but double equal to, you can use it for string as well as numbers, because I know it is going to compare the values. Okay, and I'm going to try with first just numbers. Okay, and you will get eventually true. If I compare with 5 equal to 7, it is going to be false, right? But the same I can try with strings. Okay, jiva, comparing jiva. Let me jiva. So it is giving false, because now if you see here, Python is a case sensitive, right? The first letter of first value is capital, and the second value is the first letter is small. So it is comparing and it is not equal to. If I tried with like jiva, both are capital. If I try um, Gma, it is going to be true, because the value is exactly the same. And when you say that, we usually in mathematics or anywhere, we'll just go with, comparing like x equal to 2 equal to 3. So this is we are trying to match these two things. I'm going to just give equal to. Basically, equal to is just for assigning the values, not comparing the things. If you want to compare two things exactly equal to, you have to use double equal to, so that you will get the relational operator values. And what else we have? We have compared like less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, and equal to also we did, but we didn't do that not equal to, right? So if I am trying to calculate 2 not equal to 3, it is going to be true, right? So in that case, you can use that first if equal to. In that case, that will give you a proper output whether it is not equal to. Okay, you can do the same thing for string operation as well. I'm going to give not equal to here, and I'm going to give the small. Okay, this is also give you true, because we are comparing both are not equal. Okay, that's a whole relational operators we are talking about, right? This is a relational operators. You can use in specific like conditions, if while or any other choices that you want to make. That's a relational operator. Next,